This KARR 3-button remote is a common remote to find on vehicles that have an origin on the west coast of the United States. Also, this is frequently found on Toyotas. This remote's been discontinued for years, so it's hard to find ones that still work. We sell a compatible remote which looks different but works the same. On the original remote, there was one arm and disarm button, and that button's function will be on the two top buttons on the new remote, so you could use either one to lock and arm or unlock and disarm the system. If your system uses the trunk button, then you'll use the third button on the new remote. If your system uses the panic button, you'll use the fourth button on the new remote. If you order a replacement remote, it comes with easy programming instructions, and we have free phone technical support available if you need it.